I'm Dr. House, Chief of Diagnostic Medicine at Princeton Plainsboro Teaching Hospital, specializing in rare diseases and human stupidity. Today has been another dramatically eventful day, with the outpatient clinic packed full of diverse patients, each bringing their own unique problems and even more unique forms of idiocy. The first patient was a man with a golden glow all over his body, who excitedly asked me if he was the legendary treasure boy. I nearly burst out laughing. This guy didn't even know his wife was cheating on him, yet there he was, basking in self-satisfaction. I told him straight up, "You're turning yellow, not green, but your wife has already been making you a cuckold. You become this spectacle, yet she hasn't even noticed, which proves she doesn't care about you at all." The truth is often more brutal than the symptoms. His problem wasn't beta-carotene overdose, but marital failure. I advised him to find a lawyer immediately, because divorce was more urgent than treatment. Next came a self-diagnosing internet expert. I've seen far too many of these patients. First, he thought he had premature aging syndrome. Then he became convinced he had fibromyalgia and was dying. The internet has turned everyone into a medical expert. Unfortunately, their expertise level doesn't match my cane. I couldn't be bothered explaining what real medical diagnosis entails, so I went to the pharmacy, grabbed some painkillers, then headed to the candy machine to buy a bunch of sweets. I emptied out the painkillers and filled the bottle with candy, telling him it would provide an instant cure. Sometimes treating psychological ailments is simpler than treating physical ones. Why use complex medications for problems a piece of candy can solve? What infuriated me most was the mother who refused to vaccinate her child. She firmly believed vaccines were pharmaceutical companies' money-grabbing schemes and wouldn't even give her child any effective medications due to concerns about side effects. I couldn't help asking if she was saving money to buy her child a coffin. This kind of ignorant self-righteousness is more terrifying than any disease. Antibodies in breast milk only protect infants for 6 months. That's precisely why vaccines exist, to build the immune system. Her child's constant minor illnesses were exactly because of having such a foolish mother. Medicine is not child's play, nor is it an internet search game. Facing these patients daily, I deeply understand that human stupidity is infinite.